Hey guys, today we're going to cover how to create a signature on Microsoft Outlook. There are a couple ways to get into the signature area. One of the fastest ways is right up here next to the light bulb. If you click here, it says tell me what you want to do. Type in signature. And right here, best action signatures, signatures. That's one quick way to open up the signature window. There are other ways. One of the ways you can also open it up is if you go to new email, then you can click signature and signatures. Also pretty quick. And we're going to add a new signature. We're going to call it YouTube signature. And then here you can type in whatever you want it to say. I'll keep whatever formatting you give it. This would be a really ugly signature, but just for YouTube purposes, this is how it's done. And let's say you wanted to, maybe you wanted to put like a little snarky saying. And right here, you can choose which email account this is for, so it'll show your email accounts that you have set up in Outlook. And then down here, you can choose whether or not you want to use it on new messages by default and replies and forwards by default. So we're going to click turn on both of those. We're going to click OK. And now what's going to happen is in this email, because we created it before we opened it, it doesn't show it. So if we close that and hit new email, we have our signature in there and it's ready to go. I hope this helps you out, guys. Have a good day. We make these videos for you guys, so if you enjoyed it, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for us and let us know we're doing a good job. If you hated it, give us a thumbs down. If you loved it, give us a thumbs up. I appreciate it.